Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my first 100 USD freelancing on Fiverr. I am currently studying towards a BSc in Math and Computer Sciences. Like everyone else learning to code, I've searched for ways to make money using my coding skills while I'm still in school. There are many things you can do to make money coding, depending on your level of skill and experience. But one of the ways that I've personally tried is freelancing. I've been freelancing on Fiverr and I just made my first 100 USD recently. In this video, I'll show you how you can do the same, and you don't really need skills or experience to do this, just some basic HTML, CSS, and an internet connection. Let's get started. I know 100 USD is not a lot of money, but it takes no experience or skills to do this. Plus, you don't really need to invest anything except time to do this successfully. Fiverr is an online marketplace for digital services. They basically allow you to sell any skill you might have. Each skill or service can be sold starting from 5 USD. You can increase your prices over time though. I'll show you how to price your service accordingly when you're just getting started. There are other digital service marketplaces like Upwork and Freelancer, but I think Fiverr is the best marketplace for developers. They will allow you to withdraw your earnings via PayPal and other payment methods. They are beginner friendly, their fees are reasonable, and they are an established brand, so there are more customers on Fiverr. Now that you've created a Fiverr account, you need to select a skill to sell. Then create a gig offering that skill to people on Fiverr. A gig is basically an advert on Fiverr telling people what you can do for them. I make these beautiful, responsive, and AdSense ready blogs for people using Blogger. When a client contacts me looking for a blog, I look for an appropriate theme that meets all their requirements. Customize it with a new logo, color scheme, and nav bar. I then create some dummy posts for them and sometimes connect a custom domain. Here are all the orders I've completed so far to get to 100 USD. It takes no coding skills to make a Blogger site, but to customize it, you need to know some basic HTML and CSS, which is why you should subscribe to the channel. You can do almost anything on Fiverr, but here is a guide on how to pick your Fiverr niche, how to create your first gig, how to price it, and some tips on how you can optimize your profile for success. Let's cover how to pick a Fiverr niche first. Now, to pick a Fiverr niche, you need to consider all the skills, or rather all the digital skills you have. Can you draw, code, sing, make beats, logos, Photoshop, etc.? Once you have that figured out, search your skill on Fiverr to see what other people with the same skills are doing on Fiverr. You can also try to use Fiverrlytics to see how much competition a certain niche has before creating a gig on it. Pick a niche with low competition. In other words, pick one with less than 5k active gigs on Fiverr. The fewer the better. If you are good at a skill that is overpopulated, then go for a sub-niche. For example, if you do logo design and there are too many logo design gigs on Fiverr, go for lettermarks or 3D logos only. Once you have your niche, it is time to create your first gig. So let's cover gig creation. The first step is to log into your Fiverr account and then make sure that your profile and tagline represents who you are as a seller. Click on create gig and let us get started. Your gig title needs to say what the gig is about in very specific language. Don't use broad terms like web design and graphic design in your title. Be more specific. What kind of web or graphic design do you do? Your gig description needs to elaborate and expand on your title. What is it you offer? Why should they use you? And what are the benefits of working with you? Or what is it you have that other sellers on the platform are not offering? You are basically trying to market yourself to the clients here. You can write anything about yourself, but be authentic and honest. Don't promise anything you can't deliver. The next thing is your pricing. When you're just getting started, the basic package should be 5 USD, the standard package 10 USD, and 15 USD for the premium package. Write exactly what you offer in each package. The next step is to decide on your delivery time. Estimate how long it will take for you to complete the project and double it. It is better to deliver early than late. Your gig gallery is basically your thumbnail, so try to use an eye-catching image. You can go to fiverr.com, find the template you like, modify it, and use it as your first gig image. Your second and last gig image should be a high-resolution screenshot of what you offer. Just create 2 projects before creating a gig image. Creating more projects helps you practice and allows you to show potential buyers more of your work outside your gig images. I've had a situation where a client asked for more samples of my work before buying, and I did not have any at the time. You want to avoid that scenario. And lastly, you should make a video showcasing your work and upload 2 documents showcasing what you are offering. Don't skip the video because it will increase your impressions, which is the number of people who see your gig on Fiverr. After you're done, publish your gig and promote it to friends and family or social media to get the ball rolling. Then you sit and just wait for your first order. You can create a maximum of 7 gigs on Fiverr to increase your chances. I'm not a Fiverr expert, but this is what worked for me, and I thought I might share that with you guys. I'm still learning and experimenting, and I'll show you my results as time goes on. So subscribe, like this video if you thought it helped, hit the notification bell to always stay updated, and as always, see you in the next one.